This is a large locust. It loves to munch on crops. This is a bottle of rat poison. It can eliminate rats. So what happens if you feed rat poison to a locust? No more nonsense. Get a cookie, crush it into crumbs, grind the crumbs into a paste, then drip some rat poison onto the paste. Mix it evenly, like this. A serving of Secret Recipe pink ice cream is ready. Scoop some of this dark cuisine with a stick. Feed it directly to the locust. Let's see. At first the locust resists the pink ice cream. It gets smeared all over its mouth. It looks like it's wearing lipstick. Absolutely gorgeous. Then the locust gets a bit scared and climbs up the wall. But it ultimately can't resist this delicious human delicacy. It starts eating. The locust has never tasted such fine bran, so it feels the flavor is amazing since it loves eating it. Let's feed it a bit more. Make some more pink ice cream for it. The locust gobbles it up again. It still hasn't noticed anything unusual, but in no time at all, the locust's body suddenly stiffens. Poking it with a stick gets no reaction. It seems to be completely stunned. Then the locust starts crawling erratically. It has realized something is wrong. First, its body coordination starts to deteriorate. It keeps sliding off the wall. Then its rear starts twitching uncontrollably, frantically opening and closing. Looks like the rat poison is starting to take effect. While the locust is freaking out, let's take a moment to introduce a cool gadget to the folks. Now the locust can't hold on anymore, it's lying on the ground. Its mouth keeps trembling. At this point, its rear becomes even more frantic, like a hungry monster opening its gaping maw. So the locust gets angry. It tries to escape with its mighty diamond legs, but it's futile because its rear is almost at a constant temperature. The locust sheds tears. Then the locust collapses and lies flat. It now regrets eating the pink ice cream. Now the locust's body becomes rock hard. It can only tremble in place. Its mighty diamond legs are useless. They've become mere decorations. Finally, the locust starts convulsing violently. Its limbs are no longer under control. Its breathing becomes rapid. The situation is critical. Someone might say hurry up and save it. Okay. Pick it up and check its condition. The locust is done for. It's at the mercy of others. No more hopping around wildly. Turns out rat poison can also eliminate locusts. Haha! Looks like this is another handy trick for getting rid of locusts. Brothers, we've personally tested it for you. This is definitely a man's treasure. A source of joy for women rushed to the comments.